Hey guys, welcome to the review of MD Franchising. Let's take a detailed look about MD Franchising software. If you're struggling to make money online, then this will give you step-by-step strategy to start making money online. MD franchisees must do, and it's going to teach you how to do it successfully. Establish your very own software business with the exclusive reseller rights to 6 hot selling agency apps. They are providing with the exclusive offer create, sell, and manage unlimited accounts for six top selling apps from a single dashboard, plus a reseller client panel, marketing material, everything 100% done for you. Sell and you keep all the money. This is where the frustration comes in, and it's very time consuming and requires a lot of effort to get done. And the franchisee will teach you how to break down the complex parts of this website into incredibly easy to apply and pick up pieces. Imagine being able to generate steady monthly income that's in the neighborhood of 4 figures. During this session, they will leave a shortcut that will allow you to start your own online businesses with zero budget and zero product. If you log in, if you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link. I'll send you the ebook link. So let's take a look about what is MD franchising. MD Franchisee is the first software that will give you everything you need to start generating leads and sales for your business in the easiest way. This is the most useful software in the market today that gives you everything you need to start generating leads and sales within minutes from now. Now, startup up or hosting fees, so you spend less time worrying about the cost of getting started and more time working on your business. You will lead step by step how to generate leads and how to use them, quickly build a profitable online business. What are the great features of the MD franchisee? The kickstart your own business, no development fee. They manage all the expensive, tricky dev stuff and continue to maintain and update the software at no extra cost. Kickstart your own full blown business software business, easily set up and manage accounts for your clients, proven products and untapped market. Their early adopters are already making between $5,000 to $50,000 per month from reselling just two of the 6 apps. You are all getting all 6. Marketing material all done for you: sales page, sales video, testimonies, case studies, Facebook ads, bonuses, email swipes, etc. Massive earning potential. Keep 100% of every sale you make and charge each user monthly, early or high one-time fee to maximize products profits. No complicated setup, just to log into your reseller panel and create a accounts for your clients in 3 clicks. A simple plug and play system that is fully cloud based. No need to download or install anything. Priority support: they offer a dedicated desktop for all your users for faster customer services. I have attached the link for the demo video. Just go for it. They are offering a life-changing offer. They have a team of skilled marketer, designer, copywriters, and coders at their service that you can help your launch your own software business minus the high cost and unnecessary stress. You have to put zero effort in selling these 6 attractive world-class apps that you are also maintained and hosted by them. Follow the steps to effortlessly add your own payment option to each page and watch your sales start to soar as early as tomorrow. Remember, 100% percentage of these profits are yours to keep. They are also providing. Take a look at the amazing value stuffed into the amazing software resale. They are providing six reseller app. The reseller app one is the social cake social media traffic suite, the ultimate all-in-one Facebook marketing software bundle. You are getting reseller rights to SocialCake software, reseller dashboard to create unlimited accounts done for you, sales copy, sales page and videos done for you, Facebook ads creative and banner ads done for you, email swipes done for you, enticing bonuses and done for you, customer support and updates done for you, hosting on Amazon Cloud. Reseller app 2, the dozen design bundle app suite, that is 10 in one website, web and graphics design suite. They are providing with lot of softwares. You are getting reseller rights to design bundle software, reseller dashboard to create unlimited accounts done for you, sales copy, sales page and videos done for you, Facebook ads creative tip and banner ads done for you, email swipes done for you, enticing bonus done for you, customer support and updates done for you, hosting on Amazon Cloud. The reseller app 3, the agency blitz, 4 powerful DFY kits in one bundle to own and resell the hottest marketing services in any niche. They are the 4 hottest niche are video marketing agency, messenger bot agency, mobile app agency, social media marketing agency. You are also getting reseller rights to agency business, reseller dashboard to create unlimited accounts done for you, sales copy, sales page and videos done for you, Facebook ads creative and banner ads done for you, email swipes done for you, enticing bonuses done for you, customer support and updates and done for you, hosting on Amazon. Reseller app for lead grow, lead gen app, DFY lead funnel generator app with 100% free traffic, 100% done for you, lead magnets, auto generated squeeze pages and thank you pages, one click integration with your favorite autoresponder CRM and marketing apps, phone free traffic and leads from social media in a few clicks, DFY Facebook ad creative and done for you, email swipes and lots more. The reseller app 5 is Della Ecom Software, the extraordinary cloud-based e-commerce domination platform. Over 300 listed e-com products plus fresh products added each week. Product research is done for you. Competitions by product selection, product description, product images, pricing, markup, supplier hookup, Facebook ads creative, Facebook targeting, all are done for you. Client Panda as a reseller app 6, breakthrough app automatically finds laser targeted buyer leads in any niche using AI assisted deep search in just 45 seconds. It's fully cloud based, save time and money, and easy to use search and find experience the combined power of artificial. Kickstart your own full-blown business software right now. Why should you buy it? If you're like most people and don't want to spend the next 6 months figuring out how to build a profitable online business, MD Franchise is for you. MD Franchise software will give you everything you need to start generating leads and sales for your online or offline business in the easiest way. Its simplicity makes it not only easy but also fun to use. The only thing that you will need after that is a knowledge on how to build your business with the leads that you are getting. This is also a proven and tested system that will allow you to set up a whole business in just 30 minutes. No experience necessary. MD Franchisor will assist you in the following the right steps to building a profitable online business. It will teach you all about affiliate marketing and lead generation, as well as how to leverage the power of the social media marketing. Thank you for watching this video. To get free bonuses, purchase the product through my link, and I am going to provide you a free ebook. Just contact me on an Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I will send you the ebook link. I have attached the demo video in the description box. I have attached the best buy link also in the description box. So give it a try. Thank you.